Now, paying tribute to one of his musical heroes, please welcome back Sofronio Vasquez.
Sa iyong ganda, puso'y di makalimot. Tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip na bituin sa iyong mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana ay di sinabi mo, dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin hanggang langit kay manibago. Ang lahat ng to'y pinangako mo, dadalhin ng balat ng hangin ang pangarap.
Are you guys enjoying?
Tuwing ikaw ay nariyan sa may mata, at liwanag ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha, pagkausap ka. Kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigay, at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. I love you, Mama. Kung itagal ko na naghihintay, nasa akin ay mataalay na mahibig na tulad. sa bawat sandali. Kailangan ko yakap mo ang iyong halik. Kailangan ko ikaw dito sa buhay ko. Ang puso mo. Sabay-sabay. Kailangan ko ikaw.
Alam niyo ba, dream ko talaga makapag-perform ng of course, mga songs ni Miss Regine. Kasi kung nalalaman niyo lang, kinikwento ko to sa The Voice, na ginamit ko talaga si Miss Reg para manalo tayo. So, I wanna thank I wanna thank Bravo for bringing me this opportunity to sing Miss Regine Velasquez's songs. Of course, Miss Between and Sir Jen Matela.
Maraming salamat po sa Surgeon. Thank you
Thank you po.
so much. And we would like to take this chance, of course, to extend our deepest thanks to the people who made Bravo Manila possible. Of course, let's give a big hand to ABS-CBN Music and Integrated Events, headed by Mr. Roxy Likigan. So Roxy, thank you very much. To Dars Chan, thank you. And of course, Mr. Jonathan Manalo, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Our special thanks to our ABS-CBN bosses, Sir Carlo Cotipac, Sir Mark Lopez, and of course, Miss Cory Budanes. Maraming salamat po to Direk Laurenti Jogi.
Direk Laura, thank you.
Direk Lore, thank you. Our Star Magic, Polaris, and of course, to my Sir Riley Santiago. Maraming salamat po, Sir.
And of course, to our directors, Direct Jake Leo and Direct Itchy Flores. Playback Productions, headed by Jessamy Samson. Our vocal coach, Annie Quintos Uy. The A-Team dancers. And to our band, headed by our musical director, Maestro Ian Inigo.
Also sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Bravo Manila, our staff, our technical crew, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Also, I would like to personally thank Gian Laksamana, Mabet Concepcion, Star Magic Management, Team Jed Modela, and my mom and my dad who are here tonight. Mom, Dad, where are you?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom and Daddy. Yeah, thank you so much.
My thanks to Mano Domingo, Chrissy Paluyot Hernandez, Jorans De Limos, Lian Locsin, Mama V, my ASAP and its Showtime families, and my daughters Luna and Tala out there.
Wow. And of course, I would also personally want to thank my team, Adrian Mensalvas, Ann Christine Ko, my designer Inigo Jose, and of course, my team, Maki Combe, Joanne, Melden, of course, my mama, my family is there. Overture 25 and Godzilla International family. Maraming salamat po. Alright, tuloy na natin. Kasi alam ko, sa kantahan, sinasabi nila, Filipino is the best audience. Tama ba?
Yeah!